But if I need to use this mic, I need to connect it to my laptop, and unfortunately the camera quality of my laptop is very very bad, which is what I'm using right now. So then I decided to use this lavalier mic with my smartphone, and yeah, I've been using smartphone all this while, but today I decided to try something different, to connect my laptop with my mobile phone, to take in the sound from the laptop and use my smartphone at the camera. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see that this camera quality is very different compared to the previous one, because right now I've connected my smartphone with my laptop. So I'm using my smartphone at the camera, and I'm using my laptop to take in the sound, which work beautifully. And okay guys, so to start we are going to download two apps. The first one is for our PC. So go to your browser, search for this keyword Webcam for PC. So the first result by Dev 47 apps is what we want to download. Download this Webcam client, download it and install it. It's very easy to do. So yeah, now the next thing is go to your Play Store or your App Store. You can see this on iPhone. So search for the same keyword Webcam by Dev 47 apps. So once you see it, install it, download it. I already have this on my phone, that's why the install button is not working. So download this thing for your phone, and yeah, if you download, try to install it. I don't know. So we are cool on that. Now let's connect. So if you open the Webcam app on your mobile phone, you are going to see something like this. You are provided with the Wi-Fi, IP, and the Webcam port. These two things are very very important. That's what we are going to use to connect our devices. Now let's go to our devices. Let's put it on. So make sure you copy this Wi-Fi IP, and let's go to our laptop. Now on your laptop, if you double click that Webcam app, you are going to see this interface. Now paste that device IP here, and before this thing will work, make sure that your laptop is connected to your mobile phone through hotspot. You know how to do that. If you don't want to use hotspot, you can use USB or local server, but I believe this hotspot will work better for you, because in case you want to move it around. Now when you are done with this, it asks you, do you want to connect, do you want to access video or audio on your mobile phone? In my case, remember, I want to get in the audio from my laptop, and I want to get the video from my mobile phone. So I'm just going to leave it here, video. Now click on start. Immediately start working. So it will connect. Now it's working. My mobile phone is somewhere around there, and you can see that this guy is working. You can see myself on my screen. That means this thing is working. So yeah, I can move my phone all around. I can move my phone around, and basically yeah, it's better. That's how to connect your mobile phone with your laptop, and yeah, the quality is very 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 very. So this is currently Google Meet, and same thing also apply to Zoom and any other teleconferencing app. By default, this thing will detect your maybe your laptop camera, but you don't want to use the laptop camera, because like I said, we hate this pixel, like the way it's just doing like this, we hate it. Now you can change it, no matter the app you are using. You can change the video from your laptop to that one we have on our phone. So this is how to do it on Google Meet. You will see these three dots here, or you can just find a way to get to settings. Now click it like this. You will see different items here where you actually go in settings, like I said. So click on settings. Now if you click on settings, you will see the sound. Yeah, you can see I'm taking the sound from my laptop. Now I'm using Turner TC77. Now we want to change that video orientation. Click on video at the left hand side here. Camera, you can see HP wide vision HD camera. This is the default camera our laptop is using. So let's click on this and change the source to Webcam source 3. Change it like this, and boom, as you can see, close it. Now it's better. This is the camera our smartphone is using. You can do this for Zoom, like I said, for Team, or for any teleconference app. There's a way to change camera from one phone to another. So we've gotten rid of using blur camera quality for our meeting. Yeah, the next thing is, yeah, start enjoying. Yeah, if you like this video, kindly like it, share it, and don't forget to follow me for more tips like this. Thank you. Got you, bro. Next time.